it's your girl Wolfie here. Today we're going to be doing a quick weave. Today I'm going to be installing this room bundle hair from, I believe it's pronounced Mayde Beauty. This hair is 1B, and then the track lengths are 24, 26, and 28. I know some of y'all like, bitch, that's long as shit, but quite frankly, the more the merrier to me. I love my hair straight, I love the body wave, and I love that shit as long as it's long as possible. That's just motherfucking me, and that's just how it's about to motherfucking be. Alright, this was like $38 at the beauty supply store. I think it was really cheap. I was doing some YouTube research on it. It just seemed like some really good, cheap synthetic weave that a lot of people like. At the same time, it is pretty cheap, and it comes with 4 pieces, so we get 3 bundles with it and a closure, so you already know that's the deal. The closure, I believe, is a super deep 5-inch closure. The hair says it's curling iron safe up to 400, but we'll be doing all the testing on that once I get the hair installed and stuff. The style is Gala Wave by store. So this was $38 for motherfucking 24 to 28 length in inches. Like, I don't know about y'all, I feel like that's a fucking deal, because I don't even see hair in the beauty supply store that even comes in 28 inches. Like, it's always 20. It's usually only 20 to like 24, like 20, 22, 24. So this is something I literally had to cop, because like I don't see that much. And then I got this make your own wig cap. This comes with the the mesh on the top and some lace on the bottom for the closures or whatever like that. It also says it's adjustable straps to it, so I really like that. Just in case it doesn't have like enough adjustable length to it, I have a wig band I'm about to sew to my wig just in case, so I can get more extra secure. And it also says it has a wire to hold the cap down, so maybe this might be it. It says for an invisible lace for you part. I'm going to be putting my lace on this, and I just need like a good just a good cap to put down, because the regular stocking caps, they're okay. I just don't feel like they're more durable than like an actual like make your own wig cap, just for y'all to say, because like that. But yeah, I also got a wig band. I opened it, but I haven't used it yet. I got me some super bond glue, 30 seconds. This is literally the same one that I use for my lashes, but I just use a smaller bottle. Then I bought me some sewing needle and thread and stuff like that. So what I'm about to do is about to go wash my hair, and my mom's about to comb my hair down. So I'm gonna be coming back when I start installing the wig. I'm going to be sewing down my closure, because that seems like the best thing to do, honestly. And then I'm going to be gluing my tracks down, because I just don't have time. Even though I do have time to do my hair, I just don't have time to go back and sew every freaking track in. It's just more easier just to glue them shits down and then just have the lace secure. So when that happens, I'll come back to the camera, show y'all how I do that. But until then, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. You add me on my Instagram right here, and also add me on my Snapchat. But I'm definitely going to be, doing more videos. So always like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm going to respond to anybody who actually wants to talk to me. That's just who I am. I'm very friendly in a sense. If you're not weird or anything, I'm pretty, good with casual talks and stuff like that. Show y'all my nails first before I even go. These are the XO inspired nails from Pinterest, because we love the motherfucking weekend. This is my nail cam. So I got some glitter acrylic, some white acrylic, and then the XOs, and then on the bottom we got the Louis Vuitton inspired red bottom tips, because your girl's bougie and on a budget. And that's really all my YouTube's about to be about. I don't really do high-end stuff, because not all that shit works for me, but I'm ready to be the rat and the lackey and the test subject if y'all want me to be. Just let me know what y'all want me to try, or see what a dupe is or whatever like that. But I'll be right back after I wash my hair and get my hair cornrowed, and y'all can, stay on the journey with me. Maybe we'll have a talk through or whatever, but, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all when I get back. Alright, what's up YouTube? First things first, we gotta prep our hair and our caps. So I'm gonna adjust the wig cap that I got. This is a pretty good wig cap. I would definitely recommend it for anybody who's doing quick weave or making their own wig. You already see the lace for any type of closure or U-part that you need. I'm gonna go in with a stocking cap just so I can put an extra barrier for my hair, which will also help me figure out where I'm going to be sewing where and where not to sew for my leave out. Then I'm going to spray some spritz on it just to harden it so it can mold to my head shape even more. Y'all see me now preparing my thread and needle. Y'all, I don't know why, but every time I get the thread and needle and I'm about to do another hairstyle, that shit is gone. Like, I hate that. Now I'm about to put on my cap, make sure it's adjusted. Now I'm about to sew all the perimeters around my head so my wig cap don't move. Yo, I think this hair is like good for just a cheap beauty supply dupe. It's kind of hard to maintain after a while unless you're really good at maintaining synthetic hair. But truthfully, I think it's like doable for like just a quick weave. It does come shiny when you get it first, but sometimes it loses sheen right afterwards. So I just want to put that as a disclosure. I wouldn't ever really have this hair in for too long, maybe for like 2-3 weeks, but that's about it. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is measure the track to your head length in sections. Once you do that, you're going to cut the track and apply the hair glue only to the width, not the hair, ladies. You already know this, but just a reminder, try your best to only put the glue on the width. Alright, once you do that, you're going to wait maybe like 10 seconds for it to get tacky. And once that happens, you're going to apply it to your desired section and hold it for at least 30 seconds. Now you can use a blow dryer or a hair dryer if you want to cut down the drying time so it can dry faster. But I usually just hold it down for 30 seconds and it's fine as well. That's basically all you need to do. Now moving on to the closure. I did put some glue on my closure first just so it can stay in place while I sew the perimeters. Ladies, I would definitely recommend you sew down your closure because that would be the first thing to lift or move when it comes to making a wig or a quick weave if you're not using leave out. So definitely go ahead and sew down your closure. But that's basically it, y'all. That's all it really takes to do a quick weave. More information about this hair. Like I said before, after a while it does lose its luster and sheen. It's a little bit more brutal or brittle, I guess you can say. And it gets a little bit more stiff if you keep combing it out. It tangles. It's just some really, I would say it's good for temporary use again. It's good hair for like, you know, if you're going to an event, but then you're going to change out your hair eventually, I would say so. But I experimented on this hair before. I tried using fabric softener and water. That made the hair softer, kind of a little bit easier to manage, but then it really lost its lust and shine. Then I recently tried the hair again, so I started using olive oil on it, and it kept its shine, but then it was kind of getting like not frizzy, but like it was just looking like a stiff synthetic wig. Like I didn't really like it like that. So I really think that this hair takes a lot of maintenance on it. So if you're more good with working with synthetic hair, this might be something better for y'all than me. But the hair is still good. It looks very nice once you install it like freshly. Right now I'm just going to cut any like extra wig cap off and add any tracks in between just to fill in spaces. But y'all can see, as y'all can see after I'm done with just touching it up a little bit, the hair looks very nice when you install it. I just think for me or anybody else maybe, just a warning that it is kind of just tricky to maintain once afterwards. I mean, my mom did it. I think she just like really wrapped her hair up every night and just kept going through it carefully. But for me, like, I don't know, I just I couldn't keep up with the maintenance of this hair. But it is gorgeous. I love the body wave. It comes all the way, it goes from like 18 to 28 inches in length. So I know for all my girls like me who like their hair long as hell, this is definitely something for y'all as well, because this is a 24 to a 28 inch. So like I said, it looks really good when you first install it. Just me personally, I don't know, I just had some difficulties maintaining this hair, but it still looks nice. I love the volume of it. 3 bundles gives you a very full look, and even the closure looks nice if you put some concealer on it. You can part it or you can pluck it if you want, but I think it's fine. This hair is definitely like a 7 out of 10. I would give it that. Alright, so here's another view of the hair on me. I am like 5'5", so this is coming down to like my waist. I didn't touch on this before, but the body wave here is so cute. The pattern of this hair is definitely one of the best parts of this hair, along with the length, because it goes like super long. And I do have some other styles, but my beauty supply store doesn't carry all of them, so definitely do some more research on this hair if y'all like to see what they have. So now I'm gonna style and straighten out my leave out. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia IC, I think, Keep Protected. I'm gonna comb out my leave out and I'm gonna straighten it. After that, I'm gonna go and fix my closure. I'm gonna be using the Infallible foundation from L'Oreal to put on my closure, just to make it look more natural, and using a flat brush as well. And then I'll just go in with some eyeliner, just to kind of go over the roots again so the brown won't be all over it. Lastly, I'm gonna do my edges. I'm going in with like Sweetie's Edge Fixer. This is definitely one of the best edge controls I've seen yet in the beauty supply stores and in general. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. I'll just put on some lip gloss and lashes. Just did my edges. I'm not sure you can see, but so far the hair is not too bad. There has been a lot of shedding, but you should expect that from tracks anyways. The hair feels really good. It's not exactly like dry synthetic hair. It does have bounce and a sheen to it, so I think it's really worth the copying. It's worth it, even $38 for 28 inches. I'm gonna give this hair like it's really good for synthetic, but we'll definitely have an update on how the hair lasts and things like that. But I love the body wave. I love how long it is. The closure wasn't too bad. I didn't pluck it. I just put concealer on it. It really blends well. Plus, I sewed it down pretty flat, so it actually just all worked out. But thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know, stay safe. We'll be out.